Hard to believe it's been 2 years since I ran my last Herbal Alchemy workshop, and I am going to run it again at great request from people that love to vaporize. So I'll talk to you about what I'm going to teach while I'm doing what I'm going to teach. And what I would like to remind you is that there are many things you can learn to enhance vaporizing so that it actually works well for you and does what you want it to do and doesn't poison you and do nasty things to you. And I'll discuss all sorts of these special things in the workshop because, you know, it's a few hours, and to explain all these things here that I do takes a while. But I'm going to get into a lot of things that are really important. One, I'm going to show you how, for example, how to use flower essences, animal essences, essential oils. I'm going to show you all the different types of herbs and what some of my favorite herb blends are. I'm going to show you, for example, why it's important to keep water handy. That one's got water in it. I'm going to get into quite a number of things which will include how you can use vaporizing to enhance your life, your productivity at work, your spiritual practice, ritual use, ceremonial use and application. I'm going to talk to you about a lot of things that you need to be aware of to keep your body healthy if you're regularly vaporizing, because there are, you know, some precautions you want to take. You know, vaporizing's like any medicine or herb or drug. You don't want to be stupid with it. So you have to know what you need to do to take care of yourself. One moment, I just got to say a little prayer. Thank you. And I'll talk about, you know, why I connect to it and how I connect to it, because that's important too. I will also look at a lot of the sort of the fears and phobias about vaporizing and tell you, you know which ones are real and which ones are not real. And I'll mention, you know, there's a variety of different types of vaporizers and why I use the one I use. So there's quite a lot that I'm going to cover, and I'll get into some of the issues about tobacco, what type of tobaccos I use, which are the best tobaccos to use, how you can use them, how you can use different combinations for different effects. So there's quite a bit in there. I will be giving you resources so that you can get whatever of the various herbs and essences and oils that I use that you want. You're welcome to track those down. So let's see here. That's how you make a perfect bag. And if you look in the information down below, you can learn a lot more, and I will teach you how to make consistently perfect vaporized bags so you can smoke without the smoke and live without problems and fears and phobias about smoking, and really learn how to enhance your life in beautiful ways, but they're still adult ways. So I'll teach you how to do that in an intelligent way too. Lots of love. See you soon.